Hello everyone, what's going on? Aditya Jain here and welcome to my channel TechMeUp. If you're looking to automate your way to work smarter, not harder, then you have come to the right place. I am a UiPath MVP with over 6 years of experience in the world of RPA, also known as robotic process automation. Now, most of my experience has been with UiPath, but I've also dabbled in some automation anywhere and Blue Prism projects. So I can bring you a well-rounded perspective of this exciting field. This is actually my first YouTube video and I'm super excited to be here. I'm passionate about helping people leverage the power of RPA to transform their businesses, and I can't wait to share my knowledge and experience with you all. So, whether you are a complete RPA beginner or a seasoned developer, I've got something for you. Hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Let's automate things together.